Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to use two Facebook accounts on one phone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into one of your Facebook accounts. Then simply tap on the menu icon, three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner of the Facebook app to access the settings menu. Then scroll down and tap on Logout. As you can see, I already have multiple accounts in my Facebook, but for yours, click on log into another account. Then enter the login, email, phone and password for a second Facebook account and tap on login. Then save the info. Then you can switch between accounts by tapping on your profile picture and selecting the desired account. Every time you log out from one account, Facebook will show you your other accounts to log in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.